Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you Aries. What's going on? What are the messages for Aries? Two cards. But from those two cards, your life is going to be I think some positive shifts are coming in your life from those two cards. So let's see. Four of Wands, Five of Cups and Seven of Cups. Four of Swords and Six of Cups and Empress. Lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah. Ten of Swords. Some cycles are going to be ending between you and your person in your life. Some cycles are going to be end. Yeah. You are feeling like this, still you want rebirth in this connection because you have so much love for this person. You have so many emotions, still you want rebirth because Ten of Swords means ending and still want rebirth for some. I think, yeah, you have emotions, you are thinking about this person a lot and they are also coming back. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Four of Wands and Five of Cups and Seven of Cups. Yeah, maybe you are in some confusion state about your person. Something happened between both of you, then the separation had happened definitely because Five of Cups is here. For some there is separation, for some there is no contact situation between you and your person because you are feeling very sad about them. You want this happiness with your person, Four of Wands, celebration, but it is not happening. That's why the separation and you are feeling sad. And later, Four of Swords, Six of Cups and Empress. Yeah, you are undergoing some meditation state. You are doing meditation and healing to overcome that pain. And you overcome also because you will overcome because the Empress is here. You stand by your power and you are very grounded. Maybe you are a mother of your kids for some. And Six of Cups. Reconciliation. Your person may be coming back for reconciliation if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other because Six of Cups. And future energies, Two of Wands, Knight of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. You are thinking about them a lot. Two of Wands. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, they're coming back. And this time your person is very sincere because Knight of Pentacles is very slow moving energy but stable offer. And Queen of Cups, it's you. You are very giving and caring person. And you always give but not getting any return. That's why the separation had happened. Still you have strong emotions for your person. Yeah, they're coming back for reconciliation because Six of Cups with Knight of Pentacles, but very slow moving energy. They're in slow moving energy but coming. And right now also your person undergoing some healing and meditation state. That's why they are not talking to you but thinking about you a lot. And you also thinking, yeah, you're also thinking about them a lot and your person is coming back. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. King of Swords. Yeah, there is no contact right now between both of you. Maybe your person also very straightforward in nature. So let's see your person current feelings. Five of Wands, Aries, Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups. What are these cards? And the Sun. For some it could be third party situation. Children's involved in this connection. Five of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of drama between you and your person. Eight of Cups. Maybe your person walked away from this connection. That's why you are feeling very sad. But you overcome that pain. Now you stand by your power. And Nine of Cups. I want one more clarification card. Yeah, now they're missing you so much because Nine of Cups clarification card is Five of Pentacles. Cold shouldering. Now they're missing you. Now they're realizing your worth, Aries. They're wishing for you. They're wishing for new beginnings. They're wishing for reconciliation. Again under the deck, 5 of cups. They also, you both are on the same page, but you overcome this pain. Now your person time. Now they are missing you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Aries. Your person near future actions towards you. You both are thinking about each other. Maybe you both are on the same page. What I'm getting here. Yeah. Tower. Right now your person undergoing some tower moment due to the separation. For some it could be any reason. And 2 of wands with temperance, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, fire sign. Yeah, patience is the key here. Yeah, they're coming back to you, very slow moving energy because Knight of Pentacles. And 2 of wands, again long distance relationship. They're thinking about you a lot and missing you so much, suffering in silence. And yeah, they're feeling sad for the missed opportunity, but they're waiting for the right time to come back to you, and they're coming back because Knight of Pentacles is there in main reading. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Emperor came out. They really want to offer commitment this time. Yeah. King of Cups. Yeah. See what I told? It came out. They really want to offer commitment. The Hierophant is here. They have so much emotions for you, and the Empress, they see you as their Empress. Yeah, commitment coming. And now they're releasing you both after the separation. Aries. Wow. There is love between both of you. Yeah, separation. 6 of Wands. Yeah, you are getting success. You are getting recognition for your hard work, Aries. And this is also the mutual energy, the total outcome of connection. Definitely this connection is going to be next level. There will be success, there will be reconciliation, most of you guys. Maybe very few where there will, in some cases, like third party involved. Expect those cases. Remaining cases, there will be reconciliation. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your overall energy for the week. You also love your person because you still have strong emotions for them. Aries, let's see. Yeah, right now you are concentrating on your career. 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, separation. One person is walked away in this connection. Ace of Swords, communication, clarity is coming. Yeah, they're rushing towards you to talk with you. Communication is coming. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Aries. Lot of cards. 6 of Cups, Magician, and 3 of Cups, reconciliation. They really want reconciliation, but I'm not taking all those cards. Yes. 8 of Swords, feeling stuck. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Aries. Again, see, let's see. 8 of Swords, 5 of Cups, Justice. Wow, Star. They're still hoping new beginnings with you. Yeah, they're coming back to offer commitment. They see you as their Empress, and Star. Justice. They want second chance, communication, clarity. Yeah, they're really missing you so much. They're feeling sad for the separation. They're feeling stuck. That's why they're coming slowly towards you, because Knight of Pentacles energy right now your person is in. Aries. But it's up to you. I think reconciliation, most of you will give another chance to your person. So let's see message for you from Moon Oracle deck, Aries. Look at the bigger picture. So if you, especially when full moon in Sagittarius, so if you are not seeing any results right now, you are working hard towards your goals, but you are not seeing any results. But look at the bigger picture. Definitely you are getting your results, but you are not seeing them. Yeah, they're coming. Your hard work will pay off, because be consistent towards your goals. Be consistent toward your hard work. Yeah, hard work never goes wrong. They definitely hard work pays off no matter what. It will take time for some it will come so quickly, for some it will take time. Okay, no matter what, definitely look at the bigger picture. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.